Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this AI chat review. So in this, we are going to talk about, it says here, send unlimited messages straight to the phones, tablets, computers, and of 3 billion people at a low on-time price. Okay, so before we talk about this, if you go below my video, you can check out all my product on Warrior Plus so far as well. Okay, so if you check out this link, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. You click on that link right here. And then I have two products so far. This one is coming soon and this one is already launched. So in case you want to go and check out these products or if you want to buy them, you can go and check this out. So let's get back to the sales page. You will find all the links below my video, and also you will find the link of this AI chat below my video. It will be saying grab AI chat copy here. Click on that link. That will take you to the sales page where you can go and buy this if you want to, and you will get those bonuses we discussed in the beginning. Okay, so it says send unlimited messages straight to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion plus people at a low one-time price. Brand new sentient Facebook and Instagram autoresponder forces ChatGPT into blasting out millions of marketing messages and promoting your AI created e-com shops in seconds. Say goodbye to email marketing, having to build a list or pay for SMTP and autoresponders. Too much to read here, guys. Okay. I am not going to read any of this here. You see, there's too much to read, okay? So you click on the first link below my YouTube video, come to the sales page yourself, and then you go and check out everything here, okay? So I will not believe these screenshots. They can be manipulated, you could say, because everyone's results will vary and will not be the same. So if they have made some money, it's not like everybody will make that kind of money. Okay, so if I make, let's say, XYZ amount, you might be making ABC amount, or maybe XYZ plus. Okay, so everybody's different. And go and check out the sales page yourself, and we have the demo video as well somewhere. So you can see here, you have the demo video as well on the sales page itself. So when you cross the sales page maybe 60%, you can go and check out this demo video to see how this works. Okay, and then we have some question answers maybe at the bottom. Let's see. So is AI chat cloud based? Yes. Does AI chat cost a monthly fee? Normally yes, but if you buy now, then it doesn't. Do I need tech skills? No. Does AI chat come with a commercial license? Yes. Is support and training included? Yes. This is what they're saying. The price for now is $12, and they are saying they will give you 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so you can go and check out this product if you want. Okay, so even if you do not want this product, but if you want my bonuses, for example, the autoresponder, the case jacking, and the forex profit machine, if you want those three things for free, then you can go and pick up this product using my link below, and along with this product you will get those bonuses. Okay, and here are some discount coupons, so try these coupons, see if they work. So AI chat 6 $6 off, AI chat 30% off in the whole funnel. Okay, so see if these coupons will work. And then we have some OTOs. These are the OTOs. OTO 1 2 3 4 5 6, I guess. Yes, 6 7 8 OTOs right here. And this is the front end. This is what you'll be getting, I guess. Pro, enterprise, reseller, IMX, this and that. Okay, so I guess we are done here. Okay, so if you believe what they say, then you go buy. If you don't believe, then you don't buy, but you buy because you want more bonuses. Okay, so go and buy this AI chat mainly because if you want my bonuses, then go and get this, because in whatever the cost is, $12, $15, whatever the cost is. So in this $12 or maybe $15, whatever the front end cost of AI chat is, if you spend those $12, $15, what are you gonna get? You will get this AI chat. Would you use it or not? I don't know. Will this work or not? I don't know. Because the claims are too high. Okay, but in those $12, $15, you get access to my case tracking 2 hours training, which we have discussed. You get access to a lifetime email autoresponder. You get access to my forex profit machine ebook of 11,000 words. Okay, so it's worth it. Even if you don't want to buy the software, but the bonuses are worth it. Okay, so go and grab it, and go and check out the links below my YouTube video. As I said, you can check out my Warrior Plus products right here. And now let's go ahead and talk about the methods which makes me real money. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay. And also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay. So if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click the swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.